haven't been talking much on the camera today. Been trying to focus down on watching people and whatnot, but hopefully this new GoPro angle is pretty sweet. I definitely like the way it seems like it's going to turn out sweet. But anyway, my main competition out here today is the Trackhawk and the MR2 once again. That was my fourth run. I made it down to 54.4. I believe that beat the Trackhawk, but I'm not sure. But I saw the MR2 is at like 53 something. It's a high 53. So I got one more lap to try and beat that. It's gonna be hard. Like this, it's a really good track, but it's like the turns where I am doing the turns. Sorry, I can't talk. It's so hot. Like the MR2 was just excelling like really well. That's where I'm losing my time. So I really need to push it a little bit more. Tire pressure's on point, grip's on point. I just need to push, just keep pushing. So I'm gonna get some video here of the Trackhawk and some of the Z's. One of the Z's, that hood flew up during his run, and it's actually, it really sucks because it cracked his windshield and his hood's all dented in, or his roof, I mean. That sucks. Always remember to make sure your hood's down. Like that, it just the whole car just wants to fucking leave. Well, the MR2 got me this time. It's all good. A little under a second is what he got me by. 53, I think 7 or something. I was at 54, 4, something like that. But he got me. So I got second. Barely beat out the Trackhawk. I'm sorry I didn't get videos of either one. The Trackhawk left early, so I was gonna get one of the later laps, and then the MR2 I pulled the camera out right when he was done. Totally forgot. I'm gonna try and get him to send me a clip, but if it's not there, I apologize. And we just got into town, gonna eat, hit the mall real quick, and then head home. It is, you see that right there, 94 degrees out. It's hot. We're dying. She's burnt as F. And yeah, overall, good day. Very good day. I need to rotate my tires. The front tread is getting way low. And I'll have to order tires soon as well. But we have another Autocross event 2 weeks from today, and Amarillo again, so stay tuned for that one. I don't know what's coming up this week or this weekend, but I'm sure we'll find something interesting to put out. What a day, what a day. Very good races today. Super hot out there on the track. I got up to, I think the real feel was close to 97 today. It was freaking hot. I was sweating, dying. She's burnt to hell and back. It was a really good day. Car stayed cool, intercooler, shout out to Racing Line, intake, intercooler, all that. Putting in work on the track, especially on these hot days. I'm really happy to see that perform. I need new tires soon, but I am gonna rotate them. I can probably get another 2 events out of them before I need to order tires. And with possibly having 3 events a month, it's gonna take a toll. But other than that, shout out to all the Roswell guys that help and put these events on. I have a ton of fun. Yeah, I just can't wait for the next one. I'll be there for sure. Coming back for the MR2, and then the Honda will be there, which will be turboed now. And I'll actually get video of the Trackhawk. That thing was freaking sweet to see out there. I honestly didn't think it would do as well as it did, for being as heavy as it is and all that. But seeing that all-wheel drive supercharged beast out there, dude, that thing was sick. I hope I can get a ride in that next time. But oh, and shout out to BFI and APR for the engine, transmission, and dog bone mounts. They performed really well. You can definitely feel a huge difference on the track. So if you guys have been thinking about upgrading your engine mounts, all you MQB folks, you should definitely do that. But I'm gonna get in the shower. I stink, I'm sweaty, hot, and make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Always something going on here. Like I said, I don't know what's going on this week. We're gonna find something to do. But yeah, catch you on the flip flop.